Hi everyone! So far you have learned 7 characters that are made of 2 basic strokes, the vertical line and the horizontal line. And as you can see right now, I put down the stroke order as you write them down. Hopefully they will be helpful. Like I said before, it's beneficial if you follow the recommended stroke order in the long run, and also you don't have to make up things as you go along. For example, every time you come across a new character, you don't have to think about where should I start, because once you follow the writing order and the system, you just get used to it. Now I'm going to show you one more time how to write down these 7 characters by following the stroke order as listed right now. First is number 10. Horizontal line first, and then vertical line. That's the pinyin to tell you how it's pronounced. It's 10, which means number 10. Okay? Next one. Two. Which means soil or land. Next one. Gong, and the translation, it can be a tool, and it also means to work. Next one. Shang, and that's the English translation, up or above. Please do remember the recommended stroke order. You can also write together with me when you watch this video. Next one. Wang, which means the king. This is also a very popular surname in China, Wang. As you can see, you can also understand it this way. It's the character for number 3, 3 horizontal lines. And right in the middle, you put on a vertical line, and it's all well connected here. The last 2 characters. Gan, and one of the meaning is to do something. Last character. Shi. One of the meaning is a scholar. Please do note, I just take the most common meaning out of these characters, so they do not include all the meanings. Once again, if you look at this character, this line is longer than the second line, and the vertical line is right in the middle. Alright, so this is all the 7 characters we have learned based on 2 simple strokes, the horizontal line and the vertical line. Please do practice writing them down by hand in your own time. Watching me write it down is one thing. When you actually write it down yourself, it's a completely different thing. Practice makes perfect. In my next video, we're gonna study 2 more basic strokes, So click on the next video and study more.